and welcome to this mini-series 8 different ways of writing the alphabet in modern calligraphy. Today we're on this letter. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland, and I'm here to show you 8 ways of writing the alphabet with my oblique pen and my deep dark black ink. If you like my letters, please grab my free tracing worksheet, the link is in the description below. I hope you enjoy, and let's do this. Thank you so much for watching. Which letter did you like best? Let me know in the comments below. We're almost on the last letters from this calligraphy series. I hope you learned a lot and let me know how you liked it. If you like to learn a little bit more about calligraphy or creative projects, please stick around because I'm going to show you on how to do so. See you next time. Bye!